Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josh Gibbons, I'm 16 years old, and this is the documentation of my entrepreneurial life and my journey to doing Amazon FBA, any of my business ventures, and just my life in general. So if you haven't seen my last video, I'm currently at the stage in my FBA journey where I've finished a course, I have raised the capital, and I was researching the different issues around my age with the Amazon Sell Essential setup, the limited company setup, and the business bank setup. And that was kind of the main issues I was facing with getting started. That's the only reason I hadn't started. And it's been a couple of weeks. It's been a week or so since my last video. So what has gone on? This has been the most insane week ever, guys. I can't even explain it. I'm so happy to bring you this video. So, where do we start? Firstly, I just want to start off by thanking everyone. The amount of support that I've been getting is crazy. Like, the emails, the YouTube comments, just people caring about my process, and I'm so grateful for everyone who sent me a message. For example, the people saying, you know, good luck on your journey, I hope you find the solution, or the people emailing me for help. That is amazing, because I would love to help you guys out, especially now as I found a solution. So this is going to be in a future video. I'm going to wait until, I've got a bit further. But in my next video, you are going to probably like it. So, I won't say too much in today's video, but just keep an eye out for my next video. And that should be amazing. But next, I just want to say even more thank yous to the people who have helped me, the Amazon sellers who have helped me. So, if you be sure to go back and watch my journey, all the other videos I've made. But last time I said I'd been emailing a couple of Amazon sellers and I was waiting on replies. Well, they all replied, which is amazing, apart from one, and he was like the only person who I thought would reply. But yeah, they all replied and they all gave me amazing answers to help me get started as a 16-year-old wanting to do FBA. And one of the first people I have to thank is Johnny Bradley. Now, he is the maker of the course that I took to learn FBA. So if you're interested in Amazon FBA whatsoever and you're ready to take a course, just click the link in the description. It is my affiliate link, but if you want to support my entrepreneurial journey as well as Johnny's, and also get the best FBA UK course out there, then feel free to go and have a look at that link below. So Johnny Bradley has just helped me an endless amount of times. I almost feel bad the amount of questions I've asked him about how to set it all up at my age. So just a true thanks to you, Johnny, if you're ever, probably never gonna watch this. But yeah, so the thing is, when you go into his course, he really does help you with everything. And if I feel like if I was in another person's course, all of the questions that I sent them, they probably would have just ignored me through spam. And I know that I'm kind of just desperate. I'm struggling a little bit. So that's why I sent so many questions. But he did answer them all, and very greatly as well. So Johnny Bradley, a key person in this journey so far. Another person is Shimmy Morris. So please go and search these guys on YouTube right now. These are Amazon FBA UK sellers, and Shimmy is someone who I stumbled across quite recently, and he was just the biggest help ever for this. Literally, like, I think he was probably the one person who actually like flicked the switch for me. I kind of always felt a bit I didn't have full clarity until I emailed and got a reply back from Shimmy. So I really have to put the turning point to me in my journey on Shimmy Morris. So I'm very thankful for him, and he's got great content as well for FBA in the UK. And then another one is Anwar Griffiths. So you may have or may not have seen that he is an Amazon FBA UK seller as well. He's done interviews with Johnny Bradley and Tanner J. Fox, and again he just emailed me back. He was totally honest. He didn't know exactly how, obviously, because it's one of, I might just be one of the first 16-year-olds doing it in the UK, but he still gave me some help. So, I'm very thankful for that. And then finally, it was another FBA UK seller, and I have no idea what his name was. I cannot remember, and I don't want to pronounce it wrong. But he is a 16-year-old. He lives in Canada, but he's a 16-year-old. So I emailed him, and he just said, get your parents to set everything up. So that really is his advice for how to do it. And I'm not going to leak anything, I'm not going to reveal anything in this video, so you have to wait for a couple videos ahead. But we have found the solution, and it is in progress. So just a huge video full of gratitude, another update video in my FBA journey. It's getting very, very exciting right now, so that's why I've had a smile on my face the whole video, but it's getting real. So before it was just kind of been researching a lot, took the course, I'm ready to go, but now it is real. And you'll find out more about that in my next videos, which I'm excited to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash a like, guys. We are getting into Amazon FBA in the UK very, very soon. So excited, 16 years old. Super grateful that I'm starting this so young. So hop on the journey, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and always reach out to me. I'd love to have a chat with you guys whenever you want. So thanks very much, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.